I'd like to bring this into estate planning topics, and specifically child guardianship. I encourage my clients who have minor children to name guardians in the event of their incapacity or death. And I'd love to hear if you've seen a situation where parents passed away or became incapacitated and a guardian had not been named, and what happened with the child.
So I definitely saw this a few times during COVID where both parents got extremely sick and were like in the ICU and they didn't have a guardian for the children. And if you don't have like family nearby or someone that you specifically listed to take the children, they're gonna put the children into foster care until until you're able to come out and resume your parental duties. So it's really really important to have a guardian named. And especially if you are divorced and the other parent is just not super involved, specifically in New York, and it's like this in most states as well, the biological parent is going to certainly take precedence over anyone else. So even if they haven't seen the child for like 10 years, if they show an interest, if one parent passes away, the parent that had custody, and this other parent wants to have custody of the child, they have a very high likelihood of getting custody. But if you, choose a guardian, if you name a guardian, the court will take that into consideration. And if you can prove that the other parent is unfit and there's a named guardian, that person will have a better chance of getting custody of your child.
Great. So it's a sad scenario, but it's a great story and a great motivation for all my listeners who, even if you're not ready to do a full estate plan, you're not ready to do all that, at the very least, name guardians. I recommend short-term guardians and long-term guardians, because if your long-term guardian that you are hoping to name or nominate is out of state or further away, you can at least name temporary guardians, neighbors, or close friends that can pick the children up from school or hold them overnight until the named guardian can come. And this way, keep them out of the foster care